Want to get the most out of the fitness app on your iPhone? Even if you don't have an Apple Watch, you're in luck. The fitness app is designed to help you track your activities and work out seamlessly. Whether you're looking to monitor your daily movement or set fitness goals, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about using the fitness app on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Set up the fitness app. First, open the fitness app on your iPhone. If you can't spot it right away, just swipe down on your home screen and type in the search bar. When the setup prompts appear, follow the instructions to customize your fitness profile by entering your age, weight, height, and activity level. Don't forget to give the app access to necessary permissions so it can track your activity and health data effectively. Solution 2. Enable motion and fitness tracking. Next, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit until you find Privacy and Security. Keep scrolling down until you see Motion and Fitness. Make sure to enable fitness tracking by toggling it on. Also check that the Health app is enabled so it can collect and store your fitness information. Solution 3. Log workouts manually. Since the Workout tab isn't available in the Fitness app, let's switch over to the Health app. Open the Health app and tap on the Browse tab located at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Activity. Next, scroll down a little. Tap on Workouts. Now tap on Add Data. Select the type of workout you're doing from the list, like running, walking, or cycling. Enter the duration and any other details about your workout, then tap Add to save it. By following these easy steps, you can effectively use the fitness app on your iPhone without the need for an Apple Watch. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips on how to maximize your iPhone's health and fitness features. Happy tracking!